my God. I just went down like a vibrant. I'll check if the Bacalau's already open. It's good it's open. I cannot open the plastic, kuya. I cannot open the plastic. You open early, right? Hello guys, happy Friday. It's weekend again. Enjoy your weekend. I'm here down the building. I just buy bread for breakfast. It's still dark. 6, almost 7 o'clock. See you outside. There. Nice light. If you like my video, don't forget to click like, heart, leave a comment or suggestion, and of course, don't forget to share and subscribe. Thank you very much. Happy weekend, everyone. Enjoy your weekend. Bye.